How do you feel about Greek verbs? How about their conjugation? Can you recognize a Greek verb by the ending? Today I'm helping you to master the first and the second category of the Greek verbs. Stay till the end of this video because there I have 18 sentences for you to practice with me. Πάμε! In the first month of our webinar, we made together Greek salad and Greek coffee, and we used verbs from the first category and the second category. If you want to learn Greek in a very innovative and fun way, then join in my webinars. You will find the link in the description box. Also, in the description box, you will find a free PDF with all of these things we're going to talk about today. If you like this video, of course, thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel because I upload new lessons every Monday. And now, let's go to the verbs. The first category of Greek verbs includes the verbs that end in O, this omega, but without any accent, like the verb πηγαίνω. And let's go to see the conjugation. Πηγαίνω, πηγαίνεις, πηγαίνει, πηγαίνουμε, πηγαίνετε, πηγαίνουν. As you saw, I didn't use any personal pronoun before the verbs because in Greek it's not necessary. You can understand the person of the verb from the ending of the verb. So if you say πηγαίνω with this O in the ending, I can understand I go. If you say πηγαίνουμε with this ume in the ending, I can understand we go. Like the verb πηγαίνω, we have the verbs βλέπω, κάνω, έχω, μαθαίνω, σπουδάζω, διαβάζω, etc. And now let's go to the second category. In the second category, you can find again two small categories, the category B1 and the category B2. In the first category, this B1, we have the verbs that end in ao or o with an accent, because these kind of verbs have two types, like the verb μιλάω, but also we can say μιλώ. For me, it's the same. And the second category of these verbs, the category B2, includes the verbs that end in o with an accent without any ao, like the verb μπορώ. Μπορώ is always like this. I mean that we couldn't say μποράω. No, this is not correct. So, μιλάω or μιλώ and μπορώ. Let's go to the conjugation. Μιλάω or μιλώ. Μιλάς. Μιλάει or μιλά. Μιλάμε. Μιλάτε and μιλάνε or μιλούν. Like the verb μιλάω, also we have περπατώ, περπατάω. Περνώ, περνάω. Τραγουδώ, τραγουδάω. Σταματώ, σταματάω, etc. You will find more verbs in the PDF in the description box. And now let's go to the conjugation of the verb μπορώ. So, μπορώ, μπορείς, μπορεί, μπορούμε, μπορείτε, and μπορούν. Like this, we have the verbs αργώ, οδηγώ. And now, let's go to the sentences. I'm going to say the sentences in a normal speed and I want you to practice with me and to imitate me. So, repeat after me. Πηγαίνω στο σούπερ μάρκετ κάθε Δευτέρα. Πηγαίνεις στο γυμναστήριο 3 φορές την εβδομάδα. Η Μαρία πηγαίνει στη δουλειά κάθε μέρα. Πηγαίνουμε για φαγητό κάθε Σάββατο. Πηγαίνετε βόλτα κάθε απόγευμα. Και τα παιδιά δεν πηγαίνουν στο σχολείο το καλοκαίρι. Okay, and now let's go to the verb μιλάω. Μιλάω ελληνικά. Μιλάς πολύ καλά αγγλικά. Η Σοφία μιλάει με τη Μαρία. Μιλάμε στους γονείς μας κάθε μέρα. Μιλάτε στα παιδιά σας. So in this verb, if you ask me which type is more correct, I'm going to say you that I used that one that I feel more comfortable with. Okay, so both are correct. You can use both of them. And now let's go to the verb μπορώ. Μπορώ να φύγω. Μπορείς να μου φέρεις ένα ποτήρι νερό. Μπορεί να βρέξει. Μπορούμε να βοηθήσουμε. Μπορείτε να έρθετε λίγο. Μπορούν να μάθουν ελληνικά. Now it's time for exercise. I have here three verbs. The verb μαθαίνω, the verb περπατάω, and the verb αργώ. I want you to write in the comments sentences with these three verbs. Can you do that for me? If you like this video, thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel because I upload new videos every Monday. And don't forget to download your free PDF with all of these phrases and verbs we learned today. Εμείς τα λέμε στο επόμενο μάθημα. Γεια σας!